hvac-mc here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am an HVAC technician of 28 years. I like to do fixing. That is Nana. Nana is my work van. Nana likes to wear cool wheels. I like to fix air conditioning. I like to talk about fixing air conditioning. I like to fix furnaces, hot water tanks. I like to talk about fixing furnaces. I like lots of different colors. Nana likes to wear different shoes. That's my boss. She's always watching me. Anyway, stay tuned for some cool HVAC tips. I don't pretend to know everything. But, I'll tell you what I know. I know I like driving around in a cool work van. Thanks for hanging out. hvac-mc. Peace out.